Sir paithak sumu TTADC songmari to tabo bungnai hingkai nongni opposition party bises kai Tipra tharokni to kaisa specific dabi tongo je Tipra sarongni thinango baje thana lama sikor khaya na bongni naharmung ni ke tabo norokhai bon naharmung bai TTADC election batai
nadi Communist Party CPIM borok kono slogan ba kono tai kono amtri sambutan saklan gya. Communist Party means development. Communist Party means advancement. Communist Party means unity. Communist Party means self-confidence. Je tini tamo edisi amsoi ya. Different lukurok nuk tamo whatever positive things has been achieved, that is by the left front, that is by the communists. Je Tipra sarok age jaga jami mazalni bikharyongkha sabo borong tai bisa jaga jami tifli ruphaika left front. Je Tipra sarok hukma khaya wama khaya sonma raya sabo borong no forest right rikha left front. Je Tipra hao age khoi town thun Bilunia town thun Koilashwar town thun kaisa nok mast tribal guest house Tipra sao goi Tipra ro agulio thangkhan khai rest house kono rokom o punwa sui hai bato oro kono suki koi bisna koi tuin musa koi kono rokom karon Tipra sao mane bolong bising ojo bini Tipra ha o Tipra sao bolong ni phai hok lane busa doctor ongoi engineer ongoi headmaster TPS TCS ongoi tini aguli tongnai rongni bromoslai musang nok snam tomo Krishnagor Bonamalipur Abhayanagar Nandannagar okay sabokhai this is communist, this is left kadi left front so development khaina hai hum karai khaina hai hai khaina avasar nangi kitu borok sanan na kan borok khaya mane sanan na ji buskang ni je chongmari edisi phainai o jaga no Communist Party Sekhra Hanthura Athukiri means development, means hamkarai, means unity, means tongkasang. Kali orang ketal khai se pura slogan rana gya bui busio abo tabo ni pirnis rai rao age mane borok abono onega semania borok tabo teruk khai seban tongo things will be changed abo change ongi phai tongo phainai
okay sana belai hambai jengno jorani mani bagai